Hello, first graders. Alright, so we've been talking about how do animals survive in nature. So, we talked about an eagle. Think about an eagle. How does an eagle survive? What does it need on its body to help it? Right, its wings, right, to fly. And also its feet. It has sharp claws in there to help it catch its food. It has to be fast to catch its food. Alright, communicate. Remember, to communicate means to talk. Right? To communicate means to talk. Alright, let's find communicate. Ready? Okay, good. Right here. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E. Communicate. Who do you communicate with? Who do you communicate with? Maybe your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your aunt, uncle. Right? You tell them what you need, right? Alright, we have the word provide. Provide. That means that they give you something. So your parents provide, or your grandparents, your aunts, or uncles, they all provide things for you because those are the things you need. Like your clothes, your bed, all your toys. Alright, let's find provide. Ready? P-R-O-V-I-D-E. Provide. Superior. Remember we had the crown on there, superior. Superior is somebody who is kind of in charge of you, right? They're in charge of you. So my superior would be Mr. Conard. S-U-P-E-R-I-O-R. Superior. Survive. Survive. That means to live, right? Think about the animals when they survive. They live. Even though there might be predators that come and get them. Survive. Can you find it? S-U-R-V-I-V-E. Survive. Alright, let's find wilderness. See if you can find it. Remember, wilderness means it's out in the forest. There's lots of trees. Wilderness is there's not houses or anything around it, right? It's just land. Alright, did you find it? W-I-L-D-E-R-N-E-S-S. Wilderness. Those are some big words. Alright. So you read a story this week about Go Wild. Alright, when you go wild, I want you to think about what happened first, next, and last. So think about the story Go Wild. It had the tiger on it. Right, first it talked about the animals getting their food and how they grow them. So it talked about how the hippos got their food and how the squirrels find their food. Next, it talked about how fast what? Right, how fast the cheetah and the frog were, right? And how their speed helps them catch their food. And then last, it talked about how a bear, right? And how what a bear eats, and how sometimes bears like to go travel and find humans, right? And think it's a human food. Alright, so the characters were the animals, right? So what kind of animals were in there? That's right, a hippo, and a frog, and a cheetah, and a squirrel. Alright, remember, if good readers they don't remember, go back and reread it. Alright, so, I want you to think back before we move on. What do hippos eat? What did it tell us the hippos eat? Remember, if you don't remember, good readers, go back and reread it. So, I have the book right here in front of me. I'm going to read it to you. Ready? Animals need food to live and grow, but all animals don't eat the same things. Some big animals, such as hippos, eat plants. A hippo can eat more than 130 pounds of grass. So what was the main thing that a hippo eats? Right, plants and grass. Alright. I want to know which word does not have a long O sound. Okay, remember long O says O. Are you ready? Bold, build. Bold. Good job. Coat, cute. Coat. Good job. Mean, moan. Moan. Good job. Hop, hope. Hope. Good job. Blue, blow. Blue, blow. Blow. Good job. Crow, crew. Crow. Good job. Okay, so we've been talking about long O. So O-A says O, like in boat. Boat. Okay, let's practice some more. We have the O-W and the O-E. This word was O. No. A lot of you guys already have that. B-O. Below. Do it with me. Ready? Old. Hold. Old. Hold. Do told and hold rhyme? They do. They have the same beginning and middle and the same middle and ending sound. And we just changed the first sound, right? We changed the and it's. Alright. We have elbow. Elbow. Let's go elbow. F-E. O-L. B-B-O-W. Elbow. Then we have aloe. A-O-L-O-E. Alright, this is a goat. Goat. G, and then have a vowel sound O-A, and then a Ch. So goat. And then we have, okay, the next word is blow. Blow. B-O-W. Blow. Alright, let's just read the sentence. Ready? Joe's goal is to show that his boat can float. We'll have some long O words. There's some long O words in there. Right, Joe, goal, show, boat, and float. Good job. Joan shows soap that is white and gold. Joan shows soap and gold. Okay, let's count how many words on a sentence. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many were there? And there were 10 words in that sentence. That was a big sentence. Okay, count this one. How many words in this sentence? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's look at our sight words. Are you ready? What's this word? Find. Find. Alright, you say it. Good job. Find. Then we have, alright, the next word is food. Food. What's that word? Food. Very good. What's this word? Alright, more. More. I want more food, please. What's this word? More. Next one is over. Over. O-V-E-R. Over. What's that word? Over. I will go over the hill. What's this word? Start. Start. I will start the car. Start. What's this word? Warm. Warm. Alright, pause the video and you try. Practice all these words. You can write them in chalk too, or write them on a whiteboard and practice your sight words. Awesome job!